Hey guys, this is Troy Ounce the Silver Stacker coming to you off the cuff today. I want to talk about silver, of course. I think primarily toward maybe beginner stackers, someone that's just wanting to get into the game. And maybe this person is looking at the silver prices. In fact, this morning I looked, the spot price is, when I checked it out, was $90.86 per troy ounce. That's up there quite a bit. And there's some people that are on a tight budget and they're looking at silver exploding and they're saying, man, I want to get into this, but I just don't have the money. So this isn't going to be an exhaustive video, but just a little help maybe to someone that wants to just dip their toes into the water of silver and doesn't have the funds to do it. Now let me tell you something. When I first started stacking, I started off with American Silver Eagles. And that's what I heard about quite a bit. Well, I should take that back. Really, it was accidentally through Constitutional Silver. But when I started getting into silver in terms of the 1 ouncers, I think the very first, if I remember, the very first coin I got was American Silver Eagles. Now, for example, these American Silver Eagles, now this one's dated 1991. Now, it's a beautiful coin. And this thing is, right now, today, I believe it's around $115, $116 if you were to buy this. I just checked the price online at one of the bullion dealers. They're selling this 91 for about $115, $116, because there's a premium, there's a markup on it. Spot's almost $91 per troy ounce, but these American Silver Eagles, they got quite a markup on them, you know. So maybe to some people, it's like, man, I can't really afford to spend, $100 plus on a piece of silver at this point. I just don't have the funds. Well, there's other ways to do it, and there's something that we call junk silver or constitutional silver. Now, some of my other videos explain it in a little more detail, and there's a lot of information out there about it. But for instance, and won't get into the details of all this, but nickels, okay, the war nickels from way back. These they call them war nickels. These are about 35% silver, okay. Oops, excuse me, I just banged the table. My apologies. Like I said, this is off the cuff. These war nickels, they're 35% silver. That's 0.05626 ounces of silver. 0.05. That's almost like a 16th of an ounce. Okay. So these are silver. You could see them tarnishing. And there right now, spot is about $5.11 each. Okay, that means you can probably pick them up at your coin dealer for right around there, maybe a little below, maybe a little above. It depends on where you're going to check them out. Now, that's $5.11. That's not too much, but maybe you're saying, hey Troy, I could spend a little more than that. And maybe then you want to try just dipping your feet into the pool. Maybe you want to try getting some of these Kennedys. These 90% silver Kennedys. Okay. These here today are about $6.57 spot. That means it's going to be your cost for one 90% silver Kennedy dime is going to be roughly $6.57. Might be a little over, might be a little under. It really depends. And these dimes are 0.07234 ounces of silver, just one dime. But maybe you're thinking, maybe I can afford just a little more. Maybe I want to get something a little bigger, a little heftier. I don't know, that's a little small. I can really squeeze out a little more. Well, maybe then you might want to go to a Washington quarter, okay? A 90% silver Washington quarter. Now, these are about 0.18085 ounces of silver, and they're about $16.43 spot today. And again, you can pick them up a little more or a little less, depending. But that's about 3/16 of an ounce of silver. One of these guys are very beautiful. Now, another thing you can look into. Maybe you want something a little heftier. But, and I'll tell you this much, you can go to the 40% silver Kennedy half dollars. Now you got to be careful which ones you get. I got some videos that tell you what dates there are that you should be looking at to get. These are 40% silver, and they're a little heftier than the quarters, you can see. But not all of it's silver, only 40%. That's 0.14790 troy ounces of silver in this thing. These halves are going for about $13.44 each. Now, give or take, depending on the dealer you're dealing with, okay? And there's a lot of folks that go coin roll hunting for many of these coins too. I'm finding out more and more there's people coin roll hunting for these things, and that's pretty interesting. You could get lucky. Now, we've made it from $5.11 spot for a nickel all the way up to a 40% Kennedy half at $13.44. Now, what if you wanted a 90% Kennedy half dollar? Well, some 90% Kennedy half dollars here. I got these in a roll. They were just kind of readily available for me. Now, one of these guys, 90%, it's 0.3617 troy ounces for one Kennedy half 90% silver. These are about $32.86 spot price for one Kennedy 90% half. Now that's getting up there. Maybe that's all you can afford, but that's all right. Just what you do is you just stack a little at a time, a little at a time, a little at a time. Again, you could go with the nickels. They're only 35% silver. Or you could go with the dimes. That's 90% silver, but they're really small. You can see, when you're dealing with this $100 plus American Silver Eagle, I mean, it's beautiful. But maybe you don't have $100 yet. You could go with the 40% halves. They're $13. That's difference. $100, $13 roughly. You can see the difference, the coins, the quarters, okay? $100, you're talking 16, 16 and a half bucks. Notice, 90% silver, 40% silver. the size difference. The quarter is much bigger, but it's certainly worth more. It's certainly, the spot price of this is $16.43 right this minute, and this is around $13.44. So I just wanted to give you guys some idea. Maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're just starting out. I want to dip my feet into the pool of silver. How can I start out on a budget just with very little money? Well, there you go, friends. Just look at some constitutional silver, or otherwise called junk silver. Spend, $5, $10, $15, one at a time, and just keep stacking, keep stacking, keep stacking. If you like this video, you like the content, you'd like me to bring you more, please hit subscribe. Please like the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's been just a giant help to you. And this is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. Keep stacking, and see you on the flip side.